Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 43 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight, I'm excited because we are kicking off a 4-part fall cocktail series with the Dirty Cardamom Manhattan. Ooh, I wonder how fun that's going to be. So let's talk a little bit about the ingredients we will be using tonight to make this Dirty Cardamom Manhattan. First, we need a great rye whiskey. And yes, I said rye whiskey tonight. I have selected the Bardstown Origin series. It is fantastic. It's 96 proof. It's got a spicy note to it, as well as cherry wood notes are coming forward. And it's got lots of cinnamon and spice. It's going to be fantastic. Next, we need a sweet vermouth. And tonight is my first time using the Valdespino Vermouth. It is strongly influenced with an Oloroso sherry. It's got a nutty note to it and little hints of Spanish orange. Also, clove and cinnamon are going to play very well with this Bardstown rye. Next, to be a little different, for our Manhattan, we're using Cardamom Bitters. Again, trying to bring those fall notes forward. It's got these herbal, earthy notes that makes you just feel like you're being wrapped in fall weather. And to make this dirty, you may be wondering, well, when you make a dirty martini, you know how you use a little bit of the brine from the olives? Tonight, we're going to use a little bit of the juice from the Luxardo cherries. How fun is that? And then, of course, we're going to garnish it with a Luxardo cherry as well. So let's get started right now making this amazing Dirty Cardamom Manhattan. Let's start out with our Bardstown Bourbon Company Origin Series rye. We are going to use 2 full ounces of the rye. Typically, a Manhattan is a 2-to-1 ratio between your spirits of your rye, or you can make it with a bourbon sometimes, and your vermouth. So we will be using 1 ounce of our vermouth. And again, this is just a luscious vermouth. I was so excited when I found this. We've used just about 1/4 ounce of the Luxardo cherry juice. And that's just going to bring this extra cherry note forward. And it's not overly sweet, which is fantastic. Finally, for our bitter note, the cardamom is our star tonight. These great herbal complex notes. I'm just loving this bitter. 2 dashes. I'll get a very light stir just to ensure they're all together. And then I will add my ice. Now with a spirit forward drink like this, we've got all spirits, right? There's no juices or anything. So it's important that we stir, don't shake. Doesn't matter what James Bond always said, right? So the stirring with the ice will dilute it somewhat, but most importantly, it's also going to chill it. So about 20 to 30 seconds. That's looking very nicely chilled. I'm going to add my double cherry garnish ahead of time because I want this drink to pour over those cherries. Then we will strain it into our Coupe Glass. This has a great color. I love the look as well as the taste of a Manhattan. It's probably one of my favorite cocktails, if I'm to be honest. So let's see. I love the aromas. Cheers to the Dirty Cardamom Manhattan. Oh, I did try 4 different ryes tonight before I settled on this Bardstown. And if you can find it for your Dirty Cardamom Manhattan, I highly recommend it. It is coming forward in the most fabulous way. Then you get that richness of the vermouth coming on the back end of it with those notes of the Oloroso sherry and some nuttiness and clove. The clove is really nice. And everything's complementing those cardamom bitters. It's feeling warm and herbal, just like it should be for this time of the year. So I'm pretty excited about this. I am going to say that next week will be part 2 in this series, and we will be doing the Bonfire Old Fashioned. Doesn't that sound like fall? So please come back next week for that. For tonight, I hope that you will always drink responsibly, that you will greatly enjoy this amazing Dirty Cardamom Manhattan, and wishing you the most fabulous Thirsty Thursday. See you next week. Cheers.